What's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a special unboxing in front of the Sydney's Opera House. We're gonna unbox a Bose Quiet Comfort 35 the Mark II. This is the box packing guys. I bought these headphones in Sydney itself. They costed me around $500. That would be around 25,000 rupees. This is how the box packing looks like guys. Let me show you from near. You checking this out? Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Mark II. That is super awesome. I got the black model guys. It also comes in silver. So this is how the box looks like. You got the Bose headphones. You got the Bose headphones over here. Wow, beautiful. You got the Bose logo here. It says Quiet Comfort 35 Mark II. These are active noise cancellation headphones. Wow. So let's check out what's at the back side. You got lots of info here. Let me just read them and tell you guys. Okay, premium quality sound. They're wireless and world-class noise cancellation and noise rejecting mic array for clear calls. So you can do that also. And the best thing guys, I forgot, this thing has inbuilt Google Assistant. How cool is that? Wow, awesome. And these also pair up with the Bose Connect app. You can use that app for unlocking more extra features. I'll show that to you in the full review. This is just the unboxing in front of the Sydney's Opera House. Okay, it says the battery life comes up to 20 hours per charge. That's awesome. And they can also be used as wired headphones, and on wired they give about 40 hours. Yes, that's it guys. Look over here, it says Google Assistant. Awesome. Let's unbox and check them out. Okay, here we go. Okay, ta-da. Oh, there's a lot of wind over here. Bose, check that out. Bose. Wow. It tells you some info regarding the app from where you can download it. It's available on both Play Store and also App Store. Okay, let's take it out. Wow. There's nothing in the box guys except this nice pouch. Let me just close the box. There's a lot of wind. I don't want anything to fly away. Okay. Here are the Bose Quiet Comfort 35. Awesome. Check out the quality of this guys. Very nice quality pouch. Super high quality. You got the Bose branding over here. Nice. You've also got an extra pouch. I don't know what that is for. Okay, let's open it and check it out. A lot of seagulls. Okay, we're doing this. Ta-ta-da! Wow! You seen that? Wow! At the top, you got the headphones, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Let me show that from near. Focus. Okay, and you got a small packet over here. Let me just open it and see. What is this? Oh, a USB Type B to normal USB cable. I guess this is for charging. Wow guys, nicely packed. Nicely packed. Wow. Here they are. Bose Quiet Comfort. Very expensive, 25,000 rupees headphones. Wow, check them out. Check them out. Bose, the Bose branding. Beautiful color. I love this black color. They're also there in silver, but I preferred black. Wow. It's completely made of high quality, super high quality plastic, and nice rubber padding at the top, even at the bottom. Super comfort. Super high quality ear cups, very spongy. You've got the left and the right indicators. Let me get a bit closer. Okay, this, you see this button? This is the Google Assistant. You can hit this button and Google Assistant pops out. You can ask any kind of question, like ask it to play music, check the weather, search anything on the internet. That is super awesome. You got the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use them also as in wired mode. And let's check out on the other ear cup. Okay, you've got the power button over here. You've got some ports. Oh, you've also got NFC on it. That's cool. Let me just show you. You see that? You've got the micro USB port over here. Must be for charging. And a Bluetooth indicator and a battery indicator. Yes. Above that, you've got the volume down, media play pause, and volume up. Okay, let me just put them on, tell you about the comfort. Very comfortable. So, how do I look? Nice, right? The view is awesome. Opera House at the back, Bose on my heads. Super awesome, guys. So before I give a full review on this Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Mark II headphones, I'll use them for some time in Australia. Yes. After using it for a while, I'll give you my full review on it. I'll also tell you all the features about the Google Assistant, how's the audio quality, the battery life, everything. And so that's it. That's our unboxing in front of the Opera House. Awesome. So these are the Bose earphones. They're priced for about 25,000 rupees, guys. I bought them for $500 in Sydney. So that's it for today, guys. Did you enjoy the video? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.